Hey everybody, today is 3/30/2020 and we start our first week of online learning this week, and I just want to give you a quick tutorial and show you where to find all the resources that we need for this week. So first we're going to start off by scrolling to the very bottom of the course that you take my class. I'm going to use period 2 as an example, and you're going to go down to our yellow online learning folder. When you click that, you're going to find a red folder. This is our first week's folder, week of 3/30/2020. When you click that folder, all of the resources for this week will be located in here. The first resource is our Do Now, then an introduction, the different images that we will be using for the assignment that's due for this week. First one being of Boulder Beach, Johannesburg, South Africa, a bushman holding a spear in South Africa, a food court in a shopping mall in Cape Town, and then vendors selling vegetables in a Soweto township. When you go back, you're also going to find our student worksheet where you submit your work and then the exit ticket. As usual, you want to download our student worksheet by clicking it twice, going to File, make a copy, and retitle it with your last name. Once your document loads, you have two image analysis outlines or templates. The first section of your template asks for the image, different observations of people, objects, and activities that are going on in the image. Below that, based on what you've observed, what are three things that you can infer or guess that are going on in the photograph? You want to write those in each of the boxes provided. Last, you want to write a couple questions that maybe that the photograph rises. You want to try to do two of these for two separate images. And if we go back to Schoology, a good little trick is if you go to the images and you decide you want to do one on the food court, you could copy the image, go back to your document, and paste it in the box provided. This way you don't have to keep going back and forth between the image that's in Schoology and the one that you're completing on your student worksheet. Once you've completed this assignment and you've reflected and thought through some specific answers to these images, you want to go back to Schoology, find the assignment submission, which is right here, and submit your completed work. These series of questions as your exit ticket. First one, which was the most interesting picture and why? What surprised you about these pictures? And then based on these images, would you like to visit South Africa? Why or why not? I hope this has been a help. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach me by email or through Schoology. Talk to you soon.